Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you are notified whenever I make a video. So it is Monday, and this is me for the third time in this is the third week of school after school reopened, and this is the third time I'm trying to start a week in my life. The first week was too hectic. We're moving staff rooms, so never work out and just not used to the environment. And then the second week, last week I had like Believers Week plus still not used to it. I don't like vlogging in front of people, so yeah. So yes, I am ready for work. Gonna try my best to do a little vlog for you guys this week. However it goes, I am hoping to have at least something substantial, because the thing is, I vlogged the first week, but everything I like every morning me get up and tell me hi morning, and that was it. So so I'm gonna head out. I'm in my this is a pink week, so pink week this week. Let me show you guys the outfit. So this is the outfit. I'm wearing it with this nude shoes, and yeah, so I can actually wear my nude bag, so I'm gonna show you guys that in a sec. But yeah, outfit of the day. All right, so this is the bag I bought, and yeah, so this is the bag and lunch pan. I made some potato this morning, mashed potatoes. So yeah, that's for lunch. Yay! Hi guys, so I'm at home. I get home like per about half an hour ago or so. I can't believe it's like gone. Yeah, so there's no electricity right now. I'm at home alone, so I don't know, I'm just in the mood for some pancakes, so I'm gonna do some pancakes. Yes, I already even fixed up my things on for tomorrow, because I know it's gonna be dark and all of that. So I'm gonna do some pancake, because I don't know, I'm just save pancake.
Cause when I look behind me, I can barely count all of these miracles. Yeah, I cannot be stuck on how we didn't go. Yeah, I just know you would be like 1, 2, 5, 10.
Good morning guys, it is Tuesday. I don't know, I feel like the same thing what happened last week is going to happen this week, where I pretty much have nothing in the vlog when we're done, except for me telling you guys good morning in the morning. So let's hope not. Let's hope I can find some other things like to vlog, because as it is right now, I'm not comfortable vlogging at work. So we're just going to not do that right now. But yes, I'm heading out. Going to work, and so I'll see you guys later.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. Oh. This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it
Good morning, fam. What's poppin'? So it is Wednesday. I was about to say Thursday, but me just wishes. I wish it was Friday. Anyways, I'm heading out to work. As we say, guys, these vlogs have not yet been. Me not get back on track yet. I'm sorry, but it's just life. Anyways. So I head out for work now. It's like after 7. Yeah. I'm so tired, it's not even funny. Anyways, I'm trying to get back on track. I try to get back in the groove of me. I get up this morning. I did one yesterday, like I did a TikTok yesterday. Or I did before one of them. And then I did one today. So yeah. I'm trying to just, you know, enjoy life, because I enjoy doing those things, so I'm trying to enjoy them again. Alright, let's see what I go on. I'll see you guys later.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work.
Morning. So it's Friday. It's Friday, people. It's Friday. Anyways, so heading out, guys. Did any of y'all feel that earthquake yesterday? I was like literally shaking after it done, because so we had a pretty much a thunderstorm earlier in the afternoon, and then come home. There was no electricity, and then electricity come back, so they don't have the lesson plan. Guys, a piece of earthquake shake You feel it, plus you hear it. It was rough, but we survived. Thank God for that. So yes, thank God it wasn't too bad. I think it was a 5.0. Remember. But anyways, may I head to work right now. So I'll see you guys later. I think later may have me here if you do, and my nails. So yeah, I'll show you guys that later. So nail cream here, that's pretty much it. Other than that, nothing else. So yeah, I'm going to wait on my coworker, my church sister, my friend. Yeah, you see, nails want to feel, I desperately want to feel. Eyebrow wash, shave, everything, but that's that. All right, sooner or later I'm just done try the one TikTok, which I'm gonna insert right here. So yeah.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you not.
Hi guys, it is Friday afternoon. So I'm supposed to actually be I'm supposed to be at the hairdresser slash nail tech right now. But I'm gonna reach it. The rain was falling, so daddy was coming to kill it, so I get in right. If we go down, it's like after 4. I wanted to reach home before 4 o'clock, but yeah. So we're gonna see how that work out, because I won't be here tomorrow. Not gonna be here Sunday, so this is the best day. I'm not have another day. So yeah.